The eddy current separator uses a rapidly rotating magnetic rotor to repel non-ferrous metals like aluminum. The rings and tabs are flung off the belt into a separate bin. A damp cullet enters the fluidized bed dryer. Hot air suspends the glass particles, causing them to behave like a liquid as they are dried and separated.
Check the temperature on line 3.
Flow rates adjusted. Stable now.
Excellent. Production schedule confirmed. Phase. A close-up tracking shot shows the hot bottles moving under the coating hood. A fine mist is visible, and the bottle's surfaces.
Now cooled, the bottles pass through a cold-end coating station, where a fine spray of a polyethylene-based lubricant is applied to the external surface.
That's the last pallet from the shipment.
Looks good. Inventory is accurate. The collection efficiency is stabilized. We're maintaining the 92% recycling rate across the board.
And the energy savings are consistent with the projection. As you can see, our closed-loop system achieved 90% recycling efficiency, significantly reducing our carbon footprint.
A truly circular economy, powered by the sun. This glowing bottle represents the sustainable future we are building today. This plant is a beacon of continuous production and sustainable industry, a symbol of the closed-loop cycle's power. All personnel, simulated emergency, proceed to muster stations. Charlie team accounted for.
Lower the block slowly. Confirm alignment.
Roger that. Set in place. Looks secure. Retract the press slowly now. Clear. Alignment confirmed. Excellent work. Schedule is tight. Let's go. The ICP confirms the iron levels are within tolerance for the cullet.
Hard hat secure. Glasses clear. Gloves and boots look good. Checklist complete, you are cleared for the shift.
All units in Sector Gamma, adjust course to the auxiliary route. Priority shipment inbound at Dock 2.
These are the latest quality control results for the past quarter.
And the corresponding maintenance records. Everything seems to be in order here.
PID controller maintains the four-hearth temperature with incredible stability, as you can see by the flat line graph. Pallet IDs confirmed. Here are your papers.
Thank you. I'll sign for these now.
This new LOTO point is critical. Ensure the main disconnect is secured first.
And if the auxiliary panel is already tagged?
Then report it immediately. Do not proceed until cleared. Ease it down just a touch more. Okay, holding steady. That's secure. Move to the next one.
The glowing checkerwork captures heat from the exhaust gases, which then preheat the incoming air, dramatically reducing the furnace's fuel consumption.
Alarm sequence complete. Log updated. Confirmed. Everything is nominal.
Clear on the left. Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pin. Ready to secure.
As the forklift moves, the smart lighting system activates the LEDs in a cascading motion, ensuring illumination.
Everything seems to be in order. The specs match the sample. Excellent. We appreciate the quick turnaround on the audit.
Deflection is minimal, well within the safety margin. The structure is sound.
This automated lubrication system delivers a precise, timed pulse of high-temperature grease, ensuring all critical points are lubricated. The pressure looks good. We should be finished in about 8 minutes.
So the molten glass is dropped into the mold right here. It's incredibly hot, over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit.